Have you ever felt that are you stuck in life and unable to progress, or feel like that life is just passing by you? Maybe, just maybe, the problem isn't you. If you have already done everything in your life and you have tried everything possible around you, you have used all your resources to achieve your targets, achieve your set goals, and you are pushing yourself to achieve it, and you're not able to reach there. You're not able to. You're just about to reach, and then life takes you back. So if this is the pattern which is coming again and again, there is some problem somewhere else. Another point where people feel stuck, they feel unhappy, they feel uneasiness or anxiety and stress and loss in their life. They're not feeling connected. They're feeling lost in the office or in the relationships. It means you're not aligned with your GPS coordinates. You're not aligned with your soul purpose. You're not aligned with your regular day-to-day life. You're not aligned with that where you have to start and where your life should go. So when you are stuck in such situation, you always get unhappiness. So the reason for it is we can help you and decode it. You must attend the workshop on the power of chakra balancing, astrology, and manifestation of abundance and growth and healing in your life. I'm S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker, and entrepreneur to help you grow and heal through something they do not necessarily understand, but it affects them drastically. We have worked with 1,000+ clients in the past 10 years and helping them to grow and transform their lives. So if you're looking to achieve unobstructed growth, I invite you to join my workshop where you will learn the importance of chakras, the balancing of it, 3 practical steps of cleansing, balancing and enhancing, the significance of astrology, the planets, how it affects your life, the significance of your name and the date of birth in your growth. This is the GPS coordinates. It's already been written. The script has already been written. So we help you to find the root cause hindering your growth and progress. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life.